What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here with you tonight with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the 10K per month review for 2019. Now, I have done some videos on this particular system in the past, and I want to do an update video because this video, the marketing system has been updated, and it has went from 20 programs down to just 5 programs and 5 steps, which really simplifies getting the system set up and getting you going. So what I'm going to do right now is take you over into the computer so you can see how everything is set up and how everything is laid out. But before I do that, I want to thank all of my subscribers, all of you all who have just subscribed. If you haven't subscribed and you're thinking about it, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of when I do other videos. And I hope you get value out of this video tonight. I also want you to comment on this video, share this video with someone you know that may be interested in getting started with the 10K per month system or any business that I may be involved in. If you're looking for a business opportunity or you're looking for an extra way to make some money from home, then this just may be what you are looking for. So with that being said, let us go ahead on and jump into this video, and I will see you inside of the computer. Peace. All right, so we have made it back. We are on the home page of the 10K per month system. So what I'm going to do is log into my account. Okay, when you first log into the account, first you want to watch this video. Just a simple congratulations video, congratulating you on joining. Okay, and then you just want to follow the steps here over to the left, step 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now understand there used to be about 10 different steps in this system. So it has been dumbed down to just 5 steps in order to get you up and going. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through each step of the process, just kind of give you an overview or a quick review of the 10K per month system and how it works and the programs that are inside of the system itself. Okay, so what you want to do is click on how it works, and you're probably already going to be on that particular page. You have a progress bar here as you go along. Okay, as you go down through here, you'll follow this video. If it says set up your profile, then set up your profile. You want to make sure that you get on the list so you'll be notified of updates, you know, and contests and prizes. Then you'll come down to how it all works. And up under each video, it has instructions that tells you what to do as well. Okay, so you can hit that little drop down and you can go down through here and you can see what to do. Okay, then you go to the training area, or you can come up here to set up your profile, and let's click on set up profile. Okay, on the setup profile tab, it's going to tell you what to do. Just simply watch the videos and follow along as it's being explained. Okay, as you can see, I have 86 referred users. Okay, you're going to put in your details. You get to upload your own picture. Okay, now these are the programs that are within the 10K per month system. You have the Conversion Pros, which pays you $25 per month. They pay every Friday. This is the marketing system that's powering 10K per month. You have Exodus Elite. This is a one-time payment member-to-member program, similar to some other programs that are out there. I have not signed up for this one yet, but I will. Okay, your business activator. Okay, this is your whatever particular business that you have, you can put it into the system and people can sign up for your main business. Okay, YouTube Profit Maximizer. This is a affiliate program that is hosted by JV Zoo. Okay, a well-known marketer has this YouTube course out. If you're into YouTube, you may want to take a good look at this. As you see, I have my affiliate ID over here for that. So this will teach you how to, you know, do your YouTube channel, how to create YouTube videos that's going to get you likes, subscribers, and views. Udemy, which is a traffic source, which is a solo ad company. This is where I purchase my solo ads from. Next, we have advertising bait member and advertising bait affiliate. You simply plug in your ID number. Okay, this is a vacation incentive program that I'm also a member of. I call this my fun of vacation, my fun business. Okay, and you have the $1 million passive income challenge, which is builder all built into here as well as an affiliate and not necessarily using the system. Okay, now you understand we have over 8 income stream that you can plug into and earn from. Okay, and you update your user IDs on this page to reflect all the accounts you've referred. Okay, several other income streams do not require you to purchase anything up front. However, when someone you refer make a purchase, you will get paid from the corresponding company directly. Make sure you go through the steps 1 through 10 and it makes all sense. Okay, so it all makes sense. Okay, let me let you know this. The conversion pros pay every Friday. Okay, Exodus Elite pays member to member. As soon as someone purchases, you get paid that same day at that moment. Okay, your business activator, that depends upon what business you have inside of here, how you get paid on that. YouTube profit maximizer also is paid directly to your account, PayPal account, same day, as soon as you make a sale. Udemy stores your money inside of the account where you can actually ask to be paid through PayPal or whatever payment you set up, or you can use it toward a solo ad, which is what I do. Advertising Boost, which it should be, is pays every Friday as well. Okay. And the massive dollar passive income pays every Thursday. So can you imagine getting paid Thursday, Friday, and every day for that matter from just being inside of these businesses here? Okay. So those are the businesses that's inside. You want to make sure you join the support group. Okay. Get inside of the group and also check out the latest updates here as well. Okay, so I'm going to go back up. I'm going to close this one out, and then I'm going to go to step 2, which is initiate your system. Okay, we're going to initiate the system. Then you're going to come to setting the foundation. Watch the short video. It's only about 6 minutes long. You have the instructions here. It's going to tell you what to do step by step. Okay, you want to sign up with the Conversion Pros. As I said, the Conversion Pros powers the 10K per month system. Without the Conversion Pros, none of this works, okay, at all. Here's some payment proof, okay. Then it tells you how to set up your system, okay, and then you have access to the sales funnels here with instructions, okay. So you want to get all of this set up and then just follow along. Once you get to this point, you just come here and click on the next step. Okay, making daily profits. This is up to you. Watch this video as it explained to you. Okay, this is Exodus Elite. It starts off, I believe, with $100, $250, $500, and then $1,000. But as I said, you receive payments as soon as someone pays to join this program. Okay, as you can see proof here. Okay, then you go to the next step. Present your opportunity. This is where you get to put in whatever business that you are in, okay? Whatever it may be. I have my business opportunity plugged in here, and then you'll be able to click on this link to see my business opportunity once you get signed up. And you also can set up some separate funnels to present your business, or some separate or pages to present your business. And you have 3 different layouts. And it's real simple. You're inside of Conversion Pro. You'll have the share codes here to copy and paste, okay? Then you'll move to the next step. Getting targeted visitors. Okay, your advertising system. Watch the video. Okay, and then it just tells you what to do. You click on learn how to advertise. Building massive momentum. You have some PDFs here to download. You have instructions here as well. Okay, you have bonus pages. You have Facebook group training, and you have the latest updates again. Okay, so that's turning on your system. If we come over here to sales funnels, we can look at the funnels. You have to set up instructions, how to copy your sales funnels with the instructions, how to set up your email campaign. We have autoresponder letters already ready. You just simply copy this code and paste it into the Conversion Pro. Just watch the video and follow along. If you're having trouble, pause the video and just do what it says and come back to it. Okay, sales funnel. You can access the sales funnels here. Okay, these are the funnels. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 funnels that you can use. This one goes with this one. Okay, both of these go together, and you can preview the funnels. It's a real nice looking capture page. I really like this one. This is the one that I'm using, and this capture page actually leads to this. Okay, with a short video. Make sure you change out your info on this page, and then you would click to register. When someone clicks to register, they're simply going to come to this page here and register for their free account. You will do the same thing. Okay, so you can come and look at the funnels and see which one you want to set up. Everything is set up to a certain extent. You will have to put in some work to get the system set up. Okay, so you have a choice of funnels that you want to choose there. Okay, if you come over to advertising, we have page strategy, which is Udemy. Okay, the video hasn't been uploaded yet, but it will be real soon, and you will have instructions here before long. Okay, you have free strategies, YouTube training. Okay, we have TCP webinars, building your tribe. Okay, Facebook groups. Okay, and Facebook pages. So you have that, and then you have marketing tools. In the marketing tools section, just simply once again watch the video. You have email swipes already ready for you to go. Okay, we have banners. We have advertising pictures that you can use on your profile in Facebook, or as a not an avatar, but a something you can put on your YouTube videos, you know, for a thumbnail on your YouTube video, a pretty thumbnail. You know, you can add your picture here in the corner or whatever you want to do. Okay, we have logos and we have marketing videos. Okay, just kind of give you a taste of what a video would do. Let's see here. Let me pause a minute. Okay, just to show you what a video will do. There won't be any sound to this video, but you can just kind of have a look, see. And this is one of the videos that I like to use to promote, you know, this system. Okay, you have those videos. You have 6 presentations, and you can download the videos in HD. Also, we have another video here, a couple of other videos that you can use for promo as well on Facebook and on YouTube as well. Okay, let me go back up to the top. You have bonuses. You have bonus incentives. This is advertising boost. When you become a member of that, we also have share codes if you just want to market it separately. Okay, we have some proof. We have the $1 Million Passive Income Challenge. Okay. If you're into this, you will simply enter your name. Okay. And it's you'll do that on your profile, and you have products and tools. Okay. And this is some extra stuff that you can buy if you want to. That's totally up to you. Okay. So that's that. And then you have support, important update. You can join the Telegram chat group and the Facebook group here. Okay. One thing you want to make sure that you do is edit your profile. That's where you're going to put in your information here. I'm going to do a welcome video and put in my link here. I'm going to change this avatar sooner or later, but you want to make sure if you don't join anything else, get the Conversion Pros, okay, and promote this system. And then later on, once you get started, making some money, then you can join some of the other programs. Get Udemy. It's free. You just have to purchase a solo ad, okay? That's your traffic source. And plug in your business opportunity, okay? Get Advertising Bait. I highly recommend this one simply because to me it's a fun business. You can give away vacation incentives and all of that kind of stuff, okay? So when you log into here, start with step 1, step 2, and go through the process. It's been dumbed down from 10 to 5. There used to be 20 different income streams in here. Now there are only 8. Okay. So you can choose the ones that you want to join. You don't have to join all of them right up front. It's not necessary. You can do that at a later date. Okay. So with that being said, this is the end of my 10K per month system review 2019. And this is how you can make money online. This is how you can earn money online. Okay. In 2019, I'm going to be focusing more on this system because it has all of the business opportunities that I'm currently in within this system. Okay. And so this is going to be my focus, promoting one link to getting people to sign up to my different business opportunities within here. And I'm going to be focused solely on this. Okay, because you got to focus. You got to put your focus on one thing. Also decide where you're going to market, where you're going to promote. Pick a platform and stick with it. Okay. So with that being said, this is the end of the 10K per month review 2019, how to make money online. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment, shoot me an email, give me a call. We can get you set up. We'll do a Zoom, get you set up, and get you going in the right direction. With that being said, this is Richard Hairston. I am out. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace. Y'all have a great day today and a better day tomorrow.